Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Complete course of AutoCAD Civil 3D. Lecture number 2. How to import CSV file. So first of all, we are going to start from point creation tool. This is tool space, and just beside tool space there is the option points, and if you open this point option, then you can see here point creation tools. So when you open that tool, then last corner, this right side last, there is a import file option. If you click here, you can import any file. So first of all, we have to prepare a CSV file in the Excel, because we have to import file as CSV. So first of all, we have to create a CSV file in the Excel, and then we can import very easily. So this is MS Excel file, and this is very simple file. Means point number, easting, northing, level and code. But what users doing usually mistakes and repeating, and they cannot import the file. First of all, we are going to discuss those mistakes, and we will try to avoid those mistakes. So we have to keep in mind that once we are import any file in AutoCAD Civil 3D, there is also some setting required. So that setting we are getting from this file. So this is our setting, means point number, easting, northing, level and code, or any other setting. Means easting can be first, or northing can be first, point number can be on fourth column, and the code can be on one column. But any setting what we are doing in CSV file, so those settings we have to keep in mind. And when we are going to import AutoCAD Civil 3D, the same file, this setting, once AutoCAD Civil 3D asks, we have to repeat, and we have to set same setting, as we can avoid any mistakes. Main mistake what users always are doing, that is using of letters with the number, serial number. Only AutoCAD Civil 3D is supporting serial numbers, not the letters. If any number like this P1, P2, 3A, 3B, 3C or something, or 5C, any letter include, if we are going to include any letter with numbers, AutoCAD Civil 3D cannot import these kinds of file, and it will show error, and users cannot find even what mistakes they are doing. So simple, we have to write serial number from 1 to whatever, and that AutoCAD Civil 3D simple supporting these kinds of files which only serial number, not with letters. Another problem what always we are facing, that suppose we have an AutoCAD Civil 3D file, and we have already 500 or 600 point in the file. So when we are import from outsource CSV file in the AutoCAD Civil 3D, and same numbers suppose which we are importing, they are already available, then automatically AutoCAD Civil 3D will convert from the last number onward. So that time we cannot know that which number AutoCAD Civil 3D has given or converted, and that time we have to create a group, and from the group code, this group, when we will later on we will discuss series of group, that time we detail discuss. But this series, if we create a group with the code, then we can understand that which file or which numbers AutoCAD Civil 3D has converted. And if we know before importing that which number already I have, then from that number onward I have to prepare a file, and that file I have to import, not which number I have to repeat which already used by me. So that is serial number we have to always keep in mind. Now this file is ready, but before converting Excel to CSV, we have to delete heading only. For this is personal information, so heading we can delete because it will be make error. So heading only for information that see what is my serial number, and easting and northing and elevation, that setting information. So I have to keep in mind what is my series information, that is at the time of import I have to place, but the heading cannot be used in AutoCAD Civil 3D when we are importing the file. Labels, it doesn't matter any level. If we don't have any level, that level we can use as a 0. So 4 column also we can import point number, easting, northing and level. If we don't have code, then also it doesn't matter. Now my file is ready for converting as CSV. So save as CSV, and then this anywhere we can path, select any path, but and first of all the name of file doesn't matter, any name of file automatically AutoCAD Civil 3D any name can be converted, but save as type is important. If save as type CSV comma delimited, if we have to select here, and that is important, otherwise AutoCAD Civil 3D will not support. So I have selected here save as type CSV comma delimited. So now my file is ready for importing. So this is only, just remember this CSV type, save as type. So now Excel is confirming that this format has changed. So I have confirmed already, so it's okay. And now my file is ready for import. Next lecture we will import this CSV file into the AutoCAD Civil 3D.